Hey Auto Fiber team, do you ever have a hard time reaching certain areas of the vehicle when you're ceramic coating? Well, I have a new solution for you using the Reacher kit. Come check it out. I'm gonna show you how I do it. All right, so of course we can get on a stand, we can get up on wheels, we can get little step stools, and we can reach the hoods. But I'm 5'8". I used to be 5'9", but I've shrunk over the years, and I can pretty well reach this. But I'm going to use this Jeep as an example. So picture a 1500 or 2500 or larger size truck. Sometimes it's hard to reach just that center section of the hood. So what we have here is we have our new Reacher kit. It's kind of shaped like a hand in a sense, right? A palm. And what I have here is a Saver sheet. So if you're familiar with our Saver applicators, which of course we use all the time, this is a Saver sheet. Same concept, but in sheet form instead of the sponge block. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use American Detailer Garage Venom 3-year ceramic coating. We're gonna use this Saver sheet with the Reacher kit, and I'm gonna show you how we can reach areas that you might not normally be able to reach. So I always like finding new uses for some of the tools that we use for other reasons. And I like that because it provides more value to you, to me, and we can kind of like shrink down our arsenal, right? And which is super efficient and saves money. So anyways, I got the American Detailer Garage Venom here, I got the Saver sheet, I got the Reacher kit, and I'm just gonna load up a little bit here just to demonstrate. And I'm gonna show you how I can reach all these areas. And the Reacher kit has a foam piece here, so you know you're not going to damage anything with this Reacher kit. So you're wondering how we level it? Well, I'm gonna use a quad wipe, and you see I have it folded in the traditional way in quads, and I'm just gonna fold it into the Reacher like this. Now you're probably also wondering, well, what happens, or what prevents it from falling off, falling out of the towel, there's no Velcro, for example. Well, the answer is if you have a super grippy coating, it may be an issue, but I haven't experienced it yet. Just the right amount of pressure and being able to use this, it works fine for me. So that's something to consider though. You can see how I can reach this. And of course, it's usually just that like center section of the hood, And so that I can't reach without getting up onto a step stool or a platform. You see, it did kind of like unfold, but nothing crazy. It still maintained the bottom piece. So you see why I like to find alternative uses for our various tools. It's because it shortens the amount of time that you spend on a vehicle and potentially saves you money because you're buying less tools if you find other uses for the same tool you're already using for something else. So in the case of our Reacher kit, we use it primarily for glass cleaning, but you notice how we can use it to level and apply ceramic coating. And in another video, I showed you how you can apply a paint pole extension, roller extension into it and reach even higher areas for glass cleaning and probably ceramic coating application and leveling.